is 120 Laurel Circle in Bangor. It's a really nice subdivision between Broadway and Cascade Avenue. Newer subdivision put in about 20 years ago. This particular house has got a huge triple lot. Goes straight back. It was a custom built house. It's a one owner house. He still owns it. We've rented it the last 10 years technically. Only had 3 tenants in that time frame. It is kind of custom. It's all cement driveway. And then the house itself is way more custom than what we usually see in the Bangor market. To be frank, the owner's kind of kept it because he's got some sentimental attachment to it. We just had a tenant that was here, 2 doctors actually, who were here just over 5 years. And they left it really good, but it hadn't had any paint since it was built. So we took an opportunity and have taken the last couple of months and have painted almost all the interior that had paint, and also had a new custom deck put on. So as you come in, you have kind of like an entry hallway, which splits as a stairway downstairs, which has an office and a guest suite, stairway upstairs, and then you've got this big great room, which is over 30 feet tall. And then it's got a formal dining room. House does have air conditioning as well. That's super unusual. We have over 1,000 units, and this is only one of 3 that has air conditioning. To do some painting here, we have one thing left. We've got some LED light fixtures that are being replacing the original ones, and then that's kind of it. There's also a dining nook here for like a breakfast area, as well as there's a bar top here. Lots of countertop space. Has got a pantry. Also has the direct entry to the garage, which the garage is heated and air conditioned as well. Pretty unusual. You can look here. This is the back deck, which was just redone. The owner spent just over $10,000. It's composite decking and all vinyl railing, so it's maintenance free. You notice right there that pipe, that's actually gas for our gas grill, so you don't have to have tanks if you don't want to. You can have it direct piped from the propane, which is what the house is heated with. This goes all the way back, and that little gondola actually is with this property. So it's kind of nice that way. Again, kitchen just kind of high-end. The gas here, 5 burner, actually has a vent hood which pops out, which we just had to have serviced, and they actually recommended replacing it, so we replaced it. That was just under $2,000, so we put a brand new one in. And then it's got the excuse me, double oven, has a warming pan on the bottom, built-in microwave, dishwasher, and then it's got a trash compactor and a fridge as well. And then again, kind of bar over here. The garage, very unusual in that it's kind of finished. It has ceramic tile on the floors, has drains, actually has water out here, and is heated. Typically just set at 50, but it does make it kind of nice, and it's deeper than normal, so you can have a car and still have some storage, whatever you might want. It's got half bath here for guests if you have them. Kind of nice. And then as you go over here, it's got the laundry. It does come with a washer dryer set. It has a nice big sideboard, has some space there, as well as a bunch of hanging space. So very nice from that perspective. Even has an ironing board. As we go, again, the owner didn't really spare any expense when he built this. It does have a music system that does the whole house. There's downstairs and upstairs as well. And then it's got a nautical, gives you a bunch of different stuff that stays with it as well. And of course, built-in for a big flat screen. Has the mount already there. It is wired for surround sound as well, and the shades that are here do come with it. And I guess we'll go up. Has a little like bench area here and a little curio cabinet. The door opens on. You can kind of get a better idea of the second floor, I guess, this way. The big cathedral and a view of the hardwood. And then, so it's got 3 bedrooms up here, master suite, and then 2. You have, this is the guest full bath. So it does have a linen closet, tub, shower. Good sized second room here with a big double closet. And actually this is kind of cathedral as well. And then it's got 3rd bedroom over here, which is kind of neat because it's got like a trellis with built-in. It's got closets on either side, drawers underneath, and has the mattress. You can see there, that's the air conditioning vent and heat vent. The house has a lot of radiant heat in it as well. And then the air conditioning is with those. You can see them over on the walls there too. It gives the air conditioning. So this is the master suite. It is again cathedral. It has the skylights. Has its own zone temperatures. Has a fireplace that is gas. And then insert for TV. Same thing here, wired for surround sound. Built-in bureaus. And then it has the full master bath off this. Double sinks, all granite, all tile. Has a little room for the toilet here. Sunken tub. It does have the whirlpool stuff. Nice tile. It's pretty much all tile. Tiles around. Of course, again, lots of storage, just tons of storage. And has a shower that is again tiled. Double-headed, actually has an extra head, an extra shower on there, of course, tile floor. And then it's got a big sitting exercise closet area. So it's got some built-ins on this side, area over here, which was meant to have either exercise equipment or area to get ready. Has a big rod there. There's an extra rod, which none of the tenants have ever had mounted, but we have offered to mount down so they can hang close the whole length, but admittedly that is a huge closet. So this also has air conditioning. So it is sort of huge. Definitely top of the line house, much nicer than most of the stuff in our area. So we'll go down to the basement, which the owner had an office in, so it's got an outfitted office. It's really large. And then it's also got a guest suite, so it's got a bedroom and a really nice bathroom down there as well. As you come down, again, this is the direct entry here, and it comes down. There is a door to the outside, to the backyard from here as well. So it has like a utility closet here, which is just that, sort of utility, but always nice to have a place to put paint and that kind of stuff. And as you come down the stairs, you've got a little common hallway, which goes into the office, which has a big built-in. That's all built in with the extra shelving up there. Of course, wired for everything. Has a closet, and then a big area where he had drawings and stuff, but big area here as well. And this is that backyard, which again kind of overlooks the back. Under the deck, of course. It is wired for a hot tub. Had a hot tub over on that side. And then that's kind of it for that. And then the guest bedroom, or could be bonus space, I suppose, has its own bathroom off to the side. Has a big bedroom area with quite a bit of natural light, which is kind of nice. And same thing, has a big wall that's meant for a flat screen. They actually left the surround sound equipment down here. So that's kind of a nice feature. If somebody just wanted to use this for an entertainment room, would be fine too. And then this goes into just a utility area, has the electrical, has on-demand gas, hot water, has the boiler for the radiant heat, and there's even a central vac. Notice over on the corner there's a central vac, and the air conditioning is an outside unit. So that completes the media or guest suite with just the bathroom. So again, they did a nice granite tile counter, extra built-ins. Has its own soaking tub, which is just phenomenal. I'm actually jealous of. And a big two-person shower with full shower setup on both sides, rain shower head in it as well. That's all tile, very nice. So that completes 120 Laurel. If you would be interested, give us a call. It is available right away, and he is fine with doing a long-term lease if somebody wanted. We'd be open to basically like 8 to 24 months, and our shortest tenant, I think, is 2 years. We had a 2, a 3, and then the 5-year. So it is a wonderful location. You're kind of in the middle of Bangor, but yet you don't quite feel like it. The cul-de-sac is just that. It doesn't drive through anywhere else, so pretty much only get people to live in the cul-de-sac, and yet you are 2 minutes to supermarket, 2 minutes to downtown. Just great spot.